Welcome, friends. This is SRK on your very own show, Science for Juniors, along with my assistant Binny. Oh, Binny, you look very tired.
Yes, it is too sunny outside. I feel very thirsty.
Here, have some cool lemon juice.
It's too sour. I can't drink it. It has too much of lemon.
Oh, so you don't like too much of citric acid?
Citric acid?
Yes, you know, it is the citric acid that makes lemons sour. Your blank face is telling me you don't know a thing about acids.
Oh, I do know about citric acid, sir.
Really?
Oh yes, like I know that citric acid is very good for skin. It is a very powerful antioxidant. Thus, it can actually improve the health of our skin cells, which promotes healing and the ability of the skin to protect itself against a variety of harmful environmental factors.
Phew. I forgot that beauty and shopping is your area of expertise. But there is a lot more about acids. So let's go for a quick virtual tour to give you a brief idea about this. The substance that makes lemons so sour is citric acid. It is also present in the juices of many citrus fruits. Formic or methanoic acid is found in ants, bees, and stinging nettles. This is what makes ants, bees, and nettle stings painful. Tartaric acid is formed in grapes and so is present in wines made from grapes. Lactic acid is a constituent of sour milk and yogurt. It is also formed in muscles during exercise and is also responsible for the symptoms tiredness and muscle pain. Dilute acetic or ethanoic acid is used as a condiment and a preservative, for example, in pickling vegetables and mushrooms. All fizzy drinks contain, apart from dissolved carbon dioxide, also small amounts of carbonic acid.
I never knew that. I only knew that fizzy drinks have cola.
Binny, as far as I know, your depth of knowledge is vast only in the case of shopping and beauty.
Oh, that's not true, Professor. You know, I really like science.
Really?
I think it is fun.
Can you prove that?
Oh yes, like I know that some acids are very dangerous and can corrode metals and burn skin.
Good. Can you name any such acids? Don't stress your tender brain cells, Binny. They may get damaged. Let's go to the virtual world and check out more such details about acids. The word acid comes from the Latin word acidus, meaning sour. All acids have a sour taste. It is extremely important to realize that all acids should not be tasted to test their sour nature. This is because certain inorganic acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid are corrosive in nature. However, most organic acids are not corrosive even when concentrated. Examples are acetic acid in vinegar and citric acid in oranges. Example of non-corrosive inorganic acid is carbonic acid, which is present in fizzy drinks. Another characteristic property of acids is that aqueous solution of acids are good electrolytes. This means that acids dissolve in water to form solutions which conduct electricity. Back to the real world. So, Binny, Binny?
Yes, Professor. I was just bringing this cake for you. I baked it at home.
You got this cake for me? Then why is your mouth stuffed with it?
Oh, I was just checking if it is baked properly or not. It is a little less baked. I think I have added less baking soda in it. Next time I will.
Baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Yes, bases. What do you know about bases, Binny?
Bases, Professor?
Oh, Binny, bases are substances which are bitter in taste and are soapy to touch.
Soapy, Professor?
Yes, Binny, that's because bases are soapy to touch. Let's go to the virtual world to find out more about bases. One of the observable properties of bases and alkalis is that they have got a bitter taste unlike acids which are sour in taste. Bases impart a soapy feel to the skin. This is because they dissolve the moisture and fatty acids from our own skin, which helps cut down the friction between the fingers. Bases are capable of transmitting electricity in the aqueous medium. When dissolved in water, bases dissociate into ions, and movement of these ions help in conducting electricity.
That was interesting, Professor. I was wondering, do soaps also have bases? You see, like they are so slippery.
Yes, that's a very good example you mentioned, Binny. Soaps have bases. I am very impressed. It seems finally you are catching up.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Do you know, Binny, that there is a type of flowering plant by the name of soap plant? Soap plants have cleansing properties and are mostly used locally. They were used for toilet and laundry purposes in early times. They are found in western North America and mostly in California. The soap plants grow from a bulb which can be white or brown. The leaves grow from the base of the plant. The flowers are borne on a long central stem and appear to have 6 separate petals.
Sir, can you tell me, where can I find bases in daily life?
A common example of a substance in which bases are present are indigestion remedies which may contain bases such as calcium hydroxide or magnesium hydroxide. Bases are great cleaners and can eat through grease, dust, stains, bad smell and clutters on surfaces. Alkaline washing agents contain strong bases like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. The alkali dissolves the grease, oils, fats and deposits. Some bases are found in cleaning products such as car washing soap. Also, bases are the reason why our toothpaste is so bubbly in our mouth. Due to their cleansing properties, toothpaste brush the decay away.
Wow, toothpastes have bases and aerated drinks have acids. I never knew all this. Science is really fun.
It is, Binny. By the way, since you mentioned aerated drinks, do you know their history?
Oh, no.
Let's check that out. Do you know that aerated mineral water and drinks were a rage in the early 1800s? This was due to the supposed healing properties of spa waters from Germany, England and other countries. But soon a process for artificial aeration was invented and mass production of soda water started. Many commercial sugar-based beverages were first developed around the mid to late 19th century. But it was in 1960s, especially after Coca-Cola became a mass brand, that cold, non-alcoholic bottled drinks really began to sell.
Oh, they are that old.
Yes, but these are very harmful for health. They lead to tooth decay because their acidic nature corrodes the teeth.
Oh, but I quit drinking them because I thought they cause obesity.
True, and also laziness. The artificial sugar present in these drinks also causes migraines, dizziness, and reduces your memory.
Ah, they are no less than sweet poison.
It is now time for a quick memory jog to make sure you remember all that we learned today about acids and bases. So sit back and pay attention. Acids are substances which are sour in taste. For example, ethanoic acid, hydrochloric acid. Acids may be corrosive or non-corrosive. Examples of corrosive acids are hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Example of non-corrosive acid is carbonic acid, which is present in fizzy drinks. Bases are substances which are bitter in taste. They are soapy to touch. Some examples of bases are sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. So you will now prefer citric acid over carbonic, right?
Oh yes, you mean lemon juice over fizzy drinks.
Correct! See, my friends, even Binny is becoming smarter in our company. It is time for me to go now, but you keep exploring the wonders of science.